Welcome to this video, and today we are going to see how we can install Tor in our Kali Linux. So for that we need to use some easy commands and follow some easy steps to install Tor in our Kali Linux. So let's get started. First we need to open a terminal. The first command we need to use is that to make an update and upgrade to our system. This is a very important step. We need to do it. This first step for me, I already do this, but for you, if this is the first time you want to install Tor in your Kali Linux, this step is very important. You need to make an update and upgrade to your system to be successfully installed Tor. So after this, move directly to the second step, that is install Tor with this simple command sudo apt install tor-u. Press enter, password Kali, and the Tor it will start installed. This download and installs the Tor service automatically is very easy. And once Tor is installed, you need to start it. Start Tor using this command. All commands that we will use, as I told you, will find it in the description of this video. So you need just to make a copy and paste commands in your terminal and follow steps one by one. So press enter, and now we need to check the states of our Tor. How is it? And here, as you see, active state is active running. So this green writing, you need to see the same like this one. If you see active running, you are good to go. Now move to enable Tor. Let's open a new terminal like this. Make terminal a little big. Pass this command, press enter, password Kali, and let's verify Tor is working. For this we will use a command to check the IP address of our Tor. So copy paste command, press enter. If you see is true like this, so congratulations, you are now routing traffic through Tor. So the next step is we need to install a ProxyChains. Use this command, press enter. The ProxyChains it will start install. And next, let's move to install Tor Browser. If not installed, if you don't have it, you need to use this command to install Tor Browser. So this command, press enter. The Tor Browser it will start installing. Maybe this will take some time. Press yes, we want to install. And after the Tor Browser is installed, let's go to check. From here you can use this ProxyChain to go to Firefox directly, and just copy and paste this command, press enter. It will take you directly to Firefox, and as you see, congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor. And to check your DNS like test, let's make a refresh like this, and as you see, hello, our address from Netherlands And if you make refresh like this, you will see here you can start standard test or extend test. So this is all of the video of today. So as you see, all steps are very easy and fast. You don't need to make any download or any application. Just follow these steps in terminal and you will be successfully installed Tor and you have it in your Kali Linux system. So if you want to know more about what is Tor, how using, or if you find any problem in the run to installation, just tell me that in the comment and we will help to find a solution. So thank you so much for watching. This is all for today and see you in next video. Bye.